So here's going to be a fix-it, simple repair for a Dodge product that gets stuck in park and you can't shift it out of park. Put your keys in, turn your keys, it's in park, and your gear shifter is stuck. You can't shift it out. Well, that happened about every 3 months or so. And I disconnected the battery, and for some reason it worked again after I hooked the battery back up. Well, I decided to get to the root of the problem finally today. Middle of nowhere. And what's going on, first you got to take this protective cover off. I believe it went like that. Slide that up so you can see the mechanism in here. Alright? And what you want to do is spray some WD-40 right there. Because what happens is, when you turn the key, that's what's supposed to happen. You turn the key off, that's what's supposed to happen. That keeps the vehicle from getting out of park while it's parked when there's no keys in it. You turn the key. So what you want to do is spray some WD-40 right there. Right there. Just a little spray. Not a lot, just a little quick spray. And that will make this mechanism move freely again. And save you a couple $100 repair bill. It's that simple. I'm at 132,000 miles right now, and it got to the point where it just wouldn't release. So I opened that up, and there you go. So then all that's left is to slip this protective cover back down in there and cover it up, and we're good to go. What did I just say? Don't waste money giving it to somebody else to fix something you can fix yourself for free in 3 minutes time. When you snap that cover back on, you got to put the back end closest to the engine first. That edge goes in first, then pop this in. And of course, you have to move your shifter up a little bit so you can slide it back in there. So, what's the moral of the story? Don't give somebody $100, $200, even $50. Dang. Don't give people money to fix stupid, simple things that you can do yourself. There's the info. This shit pisses me off. Somebody had a big garbage bag. It wouldn't fit in there, so they left it lay out. Well, of course, the rodents are going to get into it. You think I'm just going to drive out of this park and leave it like that? No, I got to go and put it back in there. And I guess break that down and put it in there too. Son of a bitch. Some people are so stupid. They're cleaned up. What more does today hold? Gee, it was 40 degrees this morning, so I didn't get moving until about 10:30 when it was like 70. And then I was dealing with the transmission not shifting out of park. I bet it was that family of raccoons down there. Wish I could have gotten to film them. Alright. Goodbye, Iron Creek Campground. It's been fun, but I really gotta go. Gotta go.